Welcome back to the channel. I have this beautiful array. It's actually 2 of 2. This beautiful paint is unbelievable. You will have to see here. I am in love. Also, this comes with a V10 engine, so that's also a dying breed. Actually, this is the last production year for this car. So we're going to do full body PPF because, like I said, it's a very special color, so the client wants to make sure it's protected. It's going to receive full interior ceramic coating. Same thing, it's white interior. I love it. So it also needs to be protected. Let's get ready to work.
All right, so to get to this finish, the first step, we gotta prep the car, which means we gotta wash it, detar, debug, clay. Then we'll start with the paint correction, removing swirl marks and scratches. We can achieve a true paint correction that gives you the best results. We use a Rupus, a buffer machine, which is the best there is. Then after that, we're gonna use different types of compounds. Ones have more grit to remove some scratches, swirl marks. Some of them have finer, which gives you a higher gloss. The combination of all of them gives you this result and this high gloss. Now that the paint correction is done, and now it's ready for the paint protection film.
Hello everyone, we're here one more time in Castro Oasis. There's a lot of people they're asking us for how we do all the design and how we do all the printers. So this is going to be so simple. So we're going to come in here and we're going to put the year of the car, and then we're going to put the model. All right, so we're going to find the model, and then we're going to make the model, and then we're going to go ahead down. In this case, it's our A, it's a coupe, and then we're gonna go here, but we're gonna hit the PPF, not the 10. It has to be on a PPF, okay? So now we're going to the computing, and then we're gonna hit right here, the little scissor, where we can put the printer, work on it. And then now we're gonna put the roll we choose it. In this case, we're choosing the 36. So we're gonna put the PPF on it, on the flower. And then we have the flower working on it already. So now we have the final printer right here. So now the machine is cutting the last thing, and then we're gonna roll the plastic, and then we're gonna take it. And also stay warm.
Now is going to be the PPF. Full body PPF, so this one we extended edges, we modify the patterns, so these will receive full coverage. We're not going to remove this mirror, but we came out with a better solution than that, and you're still not going to see the line on the back of this door.
Pull it! Pull it! There we go, Alex.
One eternity later.
Good morning everyone, we are here today on Monday in Castro Oasis. We have a beautiful RA V10, and we're gonna do a bumper today.
Enough of me talking, let me show you how we install a windshield skin by Ceramic Pro. All right, now that the paint protection film is installed all over the car, literally every painted surfaces, including headlights, carbon fiber accents, your markers, all of it is covered with paint protection film. Now what we're gonna do is the last step, which is Ceramic Pro coating. It's specific for paint protection film, so it gives you that ultimate gloss and that ultimate protection for a lifetime warranty. All right, now to the fun part. You're gonna see how we install the different types of ceramics for the interior. Like you'll see the textile is a spray, and the other one is an actual coating. All right, now that this beautiful R8 is fully protected and gunner approved, now it's time to prep it for delivery. Stay tuned.